Hi everyone, in this video we will delete a record using Axios library in React JS. So to do this, first of all I will import the Axios. I imported Axios. So first I will show you the first record that I would like to delete. Okay, I will use effect hook. And here I will render and I will display you that record that I would like to delete. So I will use the axios.getter. I will paste the URL. I would like to use this URL, this API, JSON placeholder API, and I will fetch the first record from this API. Yeah, the first record. Then we will get a response, a result. So I will display that result, console.log result.data. Now by pressing this button, whenever we press this button, the record should be deleted. So let's click and delete record. Let's call this one, and here let's create this function, delete record. Here we will use the Axios again, dot delete, and here we will put our URL. Then we will get a response, so that should be named Terry. I will just give in an alert data has deleted. So let's check it. Let's come here to the server. We don't have the internet, so let's connect to the internet first. Connection has restored, so now let's refresh the page. So we have this, the first record. Okay, the ID 1, title is this, and the body is this. So let's press this button. So let's see, data has deleted. So it was all about deleting a record. So if you have liked the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. And also I have created more videos and Git post and updation using Axios library. You can watch them also. Thanks for watching.